Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install QuickBooks Enterprise on a server. Now, the first thing you need to do is the QuickBooks Enterprise, right? It must be installed on the server itself. That's where the main installation should be, okay? On the server first, and then you install it on these workstations. Then, what I want you to do, on each workstation, I want you to open up QuickBooks. I want you to come at the top left. I want you to click on File, okay? And then you'll get a drop down once you go ahead and click on File right here. And you'll see multiple different options, okay? I want you to click on this one, Open or Restore Company. Then they'll ask you what type of file do you want to open or restore. Then you just choose this one, Open a Company File, okay? So choose this. You can open a regular company file, and then you can click here on Next, right? And you're basically going to have to, go through your network drive. So let's have this one get closed. So you'll use your File Explorer. You'll browse through your network, okay? And you'll go to the server's shared company file, and then you just open the file. So all there is to it. If you found this helpful, sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor. Also make sure Open File in multi-user mode is toggled on.